Hello, if you have issues with always on display not working properly on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, then what you can do is first of all go to settings. Over here, scroll down a little bit and go to lock screen and AOD. And here, of course, first we need to make sure that AOD is actually enabled. If it is, then we can go inside. If the issue is still there, you might need to show lock screen wallpaper. Perhaps you, for instance, downloaded a custom always on display that for some reason is not supported anymore by the device. So in that case, what you need to do is simply tap over here on the show lock screen wallpaper in order to remove the custom AOD. You will see an information that the custom AOD theme will be removed, so of course you want to agree to that. Besides that, what you can do is go to when to show, and for example, the default option is tap to show. So in order to actually see always on display, we need to tap on the screen once, and as you can see, always on display is now visible. However, if that doesn't work for you, you might have it set to something else. So ideally, in order to check if AOD is actually fully working, we can set it to always, so whenever you lock this screen, always on display will be immediately shown. And this is how we can make sure that AOD is actually working. It might be set to as scheduled or for new notifications or something. So you can either make sure that tap to show is working or use always. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!